Hi, I'm Kevin with Electran. We built a gate operator for one of our customers. I'd like to show it to you. So I've set up this little demo system here. We've got some indicator lights so you can see what's going on. Just to take you through what the indicator lights are doing, we have a closed light and an open light. This indicates if the gate is fully closed or fully open. So right now the indicator light is showing that it's fully closed. But if I turn this switch, I can show or simulate that we've hit the open limit switch and this light will turn on. If it is opening, this light will turn on. If it's closing, this light will turn on. And sometimes there might be a cat that runs in the way of your gate, or maybe a dog or a human or a child. That's going to simulate that there's going to be somebody that's running in front of the gates and the gate should stop. So to take you through the sequence, the gate is currently closed. We can use the remote. And now it's starting to open. The way the gate is going to be working is it ramps up to a speed, it travels for a period of time, for about the time that it's going to take to cross the driveway, and then it's going to slow down until it hits the limit switch. So it's able to run at a faster pace for a good period of time before it actually hits the limit switch. We have a built-in timer so that after a period of time after the gate has been opened, it automatically closes. This can be toggled on or off. Now, let's say the gate was in the open position. We can manually close it. And while it's closing, we can throw a child in the way, virtual child, and it's going to then start instantly opening again at a slow pace until it hits the open limit switch. After a period of time, definable period of time, it's going to automatically try to close again until it's actually able to complete its sequence.